Heavily shorted and high beta NVTS is trending. This is Wednesday, the 17th of December 2025. Pre-market session up 3.07%. This gain may have come from the post-market session. Okay, let's see now. It was the short interest is around 30%, but it's that and not that in itself may not be enough. Let's just quickly see whether it's a hard to borrow stock or anything like that. Okay, let's just quickly see. But this may not be a confirmation of anything because the market is not open right now. It is hard to borrow stock, yeah. So it is, yeah, it's fascinating if it's showing this. I mean, it's the okay. We'll get into more of the technicals later on. Let's just quickly have a look at the option series. But the key thing there we have noticed is that it's hard to borrow. It's not a minor. It's quite significant. It's quite reasonable. Okay, nothing really in terms of open interest. Rather, we have more on the put side, but it doesn't matter which direction it is. As far as there's activity here, market makers are also active as well. They have to always stay neutral. They have to remain neutral all the time. Okay, this is the 4 hour chart, which is showing, which has reflected this 3% gain. Okay, the extrapolation here is saying that it's just going to continue to retrace. Okay, nothing, any attempt to bounce might be blocked by the declining 40 period moving average. Okay, that's just an extrapolation as well. No guarantee that that will be the case. We have a projection of 8.5, which is a premium to its volume weighted average price. Okay, let's see now. Momentum is expected to pick up as well, which is what's going on right now. Well, momentum has picked up. It's expected it's expected that it may hold it up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 8th. Sorry, pre-market session of tomorrow, the 18th. Okay, let's come down and have a look at its daily chart. The underlying trend is strongly bullish. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that lower prices may continue to print, going all the way towards the 30th of December. Then after that, there might be an attempt to bounce, but the 40-day moving average is expected to serve as a strong resistance. It's also expected to continue to decline and go neutral from early January. Okay, so far so good. I think this extrapolation may have gotten what we may have gotten it wrong. It's the stock is currently up. There's a good chance it may hold it up till the end of the session. So let's see now. Projections here are saying nothing positive. As of Monday the 15th, it had 15.63, but right now, not as of yesterday, it didn't extrapolate anything at all. Sorry, it didn't project anything at all. But if you look at 15.63, Monday the 17th of November, I also had 18.75, 23.17, 25.90. So let's see now. Let's have a look and see what the combination of let's add another extrapolation as well. That will be the 21 period moving average. The extrapolation of the 21 period moving average. Let's see what it's going to give us. Yeah, so they're all, yeah, the 40 and the 40-day and the 21-day moving average are expected to continue to decline. So a contraction, a consolidation or a contraction slash consolidation is expected at least from the 8th of January. So the stock is expected to trade for now before the end of this year. The stock is not expected to go beyond this tiny space, but it may well defy it, given what's going on right now. Given that it has, it's hard to borrow and it has a short interest of around 30%. Yeah, this may be wrong. This may be wrong. This extrapolation may be wrong. So let's just see. We have some sentiments around it. Let's get what it's trying to say.
NVTS is trending after an unexpected overnight price spike that has reignited debate across trading communities about what's really driving the move. Some traders are framing the surge as the early stages of a short squeeze, pointing to elevated short interest, thin liquidity, and momentum driven buying that can quickly cascade in smaller cap semiconductor names. Others, however, are focusing less on the tape action and more on fundamental catalysts. A recurring theme in the discussion is Navitas's positioning in AI power solutions, particularly its GaN and SiC technologies that are increasingly viewed as essential for next generation AI data centers. Traders are speculating that the move could be linked to anticipation of further developments in Navitas's relationship with NVIDIA, NVDA, especially following prior disclosures tying NVTS products to NVIDIA's evolving AI power architecture. What the community is debating: short squeeze versus real demand. Momentum traders see technical pressure building that could force shorts to cover if NVTS clears key resistance levels. Longer term investors argue that the stock's strength reflects growing recognition of its strategic role in AI infrastructure. Undervaluation versus hype. Bulls claim NVTS is still undervalued relative to its long term growth prospects in high power AI systems, while bears counter that revenues haven't yet caught up with the narrative. Technical setup. Many are watching for a breakout above the recent consolidation range, which could confirm a trend change and attract additional volume from systematic and retail traders. Insider and shareholder activity adds complexity. Adding nuance to the discussion, filings show that SiC Power LLC, a beneficial owner of Navitas Semiconductor, along with Capricorn Libra Investment Group LP, have sold portions of their restricted shares. In addition, some insiders have reduced positions. This has introduced a note of caution into the conversation as traders debate whether the sales represent routine liquidity events or a signal that near term upside may be limited. Big picture. Despite the mixed signals, NVTS remains firmly on watch lists because it sits at the intersection of AI infrastructure growth, power efficiency innovation, and speculative trading dynamics. The stock's recent price action has become a litmus test for whether momentum and narrative driven buying can overpower concerns about insider selling and near term financial execution. Bottom line, NVTS's overnight spike has sharpened the bull versus bear divide. Whether this move turns into a sustained breakout, a short lived squeeze, or a retracement will likely depend on confirmation of fundamentals, such as new partnership news, clearer revenue traction in AI data centers, or broader risk on sentiment in semiconductors.
Okay, let's just see. Short interest so is surely 30%. You can see here, yeah, sure, yeah. So let's see how all of these things will pan out, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.